lovely, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I'm just going to do a little voiceover here in the beginning to talk you through some of these parts. So today's video is going to be on the Outre Converticap wig in Cascade Queen. I have it in the color DR2 Ginger Brown. I'm showing off the wave pattern from when it first came out of the box. And y'all, I'm going to talk a little bit further about this. I do really like this wig, but I did want to show you guys how it tangled in the back. This was like right after I put it on my head and I took it right back off. As you can see, I'm a tad annoyed. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. But future me wanted to tell you about what past me dealt with. But first things first, if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscription button. That way you don't miss out on my next upload. Alright, so if you watched the clips right before this part of the video, then you already know what I'm here to talk about. Today I have the Outre Converticap wig in Cascade Queen. The color that I have this unit in is DR3 Ginger Brown. I'm going to go ahead and leave all the specs down below in the description box. That way you guys can go cop it if you like this color. What really drew me to this color was the fact that it was very reminiscent of SZA, especially with the curl pattern, and I really wanted to do like some bangs or something like that, and they also had it like that on the stock card, so I was like, ooh, okay, y'all see, y'all picking up what I'm putting down. But there were some things that I didn't really like about this unit, so let's go ahead and get into the cons and then we'll talk about the pros. So as much as I like this wig, there are a few cons about this wig, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about it now. Like I said, if you watched the previous clips, then you do see already kind of what I'm about to talk about, which is the fact that this is a hot tangled mess. I first took it out of the pack, it had like that beautiful wave pattern, but literally it felt like as soon as the air hit the wig, it started tangling like immediately. So I'm gonna get up and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. I can't show the back again just because I don't really feel like it, but I already showed it. I already showed it in the previous clip, so go back and watch it if you missed it. I'm just gonna show like this side that is very tangled, and I haven't been running my fingers through this wig. I just got it today, I just put it on today, so you guys are getting the real and the raw, and I'm really disappointed in how tangly this is. It makes me not want to wear this. So yeah, I'm using a different lens, which is why the focus looks weird, but this is like essentially, you can see it. Even though the camera is out of focus, you can see how tangly that is. I just got this wig today, okay? And I just put it on, and I only did 2 styles because I didn't want this to happen. And so I just feel like, yeah, it's $15.99, but there are some other units in the collection that will hold up way better for your money. You get what I'm saying? Oh, just based off of that, I probably wouldn't buy this again. But there are a few pros, so I'm gonna talk about that also. My number 1 pro for this unit is the beautiful wave pattern. It is so nice. And if I could trust this wig to not tangle, I would try to separate it out some more and get it a little bit bigger. But because I don't want to fully ruin this wig, I'm just gonna leave it as is. I also cut some bangs a little bit. There was like a piece that was shorter in the front. I don't know if they did that intentionally for you to do this, but there was like a piece from this side that was a little bit shorter, so I just went ahead and cut it and then put it forward and then put this little part up. So yeah, it was very easy and simple to do. I do love how easy these wigs are able to be styled. They're very versatile. I really love this collection. I just wish that this unit had better fiber, or I don't know, something that made it not so tangly, because like I said, I would not repurchase this. My plan was to get it in a few different colors, but just because of the tangliness, I'm cool on it. There are some other wigs in that line that I can try. So I did want to give you guys a full look though for this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get up and turn around so you guys can see how far down my back this goes. It is kind of long, but again, like I always say, I am 5'1", so just keep that in mind. I always appreciate the job that Outre does on their color melts for these units. Again, this is the DR2 and Ginger Brown, and then whenever I can get my hands on a unit in that color, I do grab for it just because it looks so beautiful. It has the oranges, the reds, the brown undertones. It's just very pretty. It looks good on so many different skin tones. So if you haven't tried the Ginger Brown color, definitely try to grab a unit in that color and you will not be disappointed. Okay, yeah, this video is going to be kind of short just because I don't really have much to say about this wig. I'm sorry guys, but if you have any questions or if you just want to talk about it down below, definitely leave me a comment. You know I'm fast to reply. But I'll see you in my next one. Bye.